How to install a dishwasher. This is a GE dishwasher and it came with all these parts except for the water line. It came with all these other parts. For tools, you're gonna need a screwdriver with a Phillips head screwdriver bit, a 5/16 hexagonal bit, gloves, small crescent wrench, and plumber's pliers, and a drill and a drill bit. This is the biggest drill bit I have, 1/2 inch. Turn the breaker off to the dishwasher. This is the mount for the dishwasher. It goes up here, like above the dishwasher, and we're gonna attach it, put screws through these holes into the wood and drywall. So first we gotta bend these perpendicular 90 degrees. Then fit in there like so. Screwdriver, screws. Next, we're going to take the insulation off of the dishwasher and tip the dishwasher on its side. So there's a hole down here for the water line to come out of the attachment on the inside of this wall. Like water comes into the dishwasher and then dishwasher ejects water through another hose where there's supposed to be a hole up here. If there isn't one, you gotta make one. And you want to have a separate hole higher up for the eject hose, because when the dishwasher ejects water out of the dishwasher, then it will go like up, and then the hose will go like back down a little bit, but then it will connect to the garbage disposal like on the back there, and that will prevent any backflow from happening where the water flows back into the dishwasher, and then your dishwasher is just full of dirty water. Got our drill here, gonna make a hole. Now, while the dishwasher's on the side, you can feed the eject hose into the hole and into like underneath the sink. Now we're on the other side here, and we're gonna attach the end of the eject hose to this hose. First, you're gonna put your hose clamp on one end, and then put this end, the one with the two lines on. This is the connector. This is the end that connects to the hose, and then this is the end that connects to the garbage disposal. Now, take your screwdriver with the 5/16 hexagonal end, and you're gonna tighten down the hose clamp like right in between these two lines. And we got this other hose clamp here. I'm gonna put it on the end of the hose. I'm gonna put this end of the hose onto the garbage disposal. This piece here is where water comes into the dishwasher. It's a plastic threaded end. It's the part that this brass piece fits on. So we're gonna put it on like so, and like this. I like to do them facing down, because if there's ever a leak from like this hose here for some reason, then you can just take this cover off real quick, and then it's right there. Like the hose fitting is right here, and then you can fix it without having to like pull the entire dishwasher out. So we're gonna take our plumber's pliers and attach the brass fitting. Start with your hand. Now we're gonna take the cover off with our screwdriver. There are 4 Phillips screws here, 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 and here. Take this screw out. This is going to cover up the wiring. This is our electrical cord for the dishwasher. Like this part is going to go through like a hole down in here. It's going to go in from the back side. Yeah, so this piece is going to go through this hole from the back side, like so. and you should just click into place. And this is going to plug in to the outlet there. If you don't have a wall plug-in, then like if it's just the yellow wire back there, no outlet, then you're going to hardwire the wire to the dishwasher, and so in that case you just take that yellow wire and run it through this hole and then connect the hot, common, and ground, and then it will still work. 3 wire nuts. Then we're gonna put this back on. Put the covers back on. This is kind of why I like to do this on the side, like also because like you have access to the wires and everything. Then also like these holes line up while it's on its side, and like when it's standing upright, then like the weight of it pushes like the legs farther apart, and it's hard to put these back in. So that's why I do everything on its side. And we'll plug it in. Then we're gonna connect this water line, so this will go through the lower hole back here. Small crescent wrench. Now everything's connected, we can open the water. Here we had a little bit of a leak there. I had to tighten down that brass fitting right there, but it's open now, and no water is leaking out anymore. Now we gotta extend the length of the legs. I like to do at least 2 inches, or start with 2 inches and then go from there. Sometimes you gotta go out more, sometimes you gotta take the legs out completely to get them to fit under. But so we're gonna start with 2 inches, and probably get a tape measure for this. So it comes with these 2 bracket pieces that get screwed into the top mounting piece. So they go, there are 2 holes here and then 2 holes on the other side. So they just go like here and here. You can use 1 or 2 screws. So a screwdriver and 2 screws. I'm gonna put the cover on. Then push it in. So this is the underside of the bracket. Like there are these holes here that screws are going to go into, and it'll match with any of these holes in the mounting piece on both sides. So like just 1 screw is fine. Also, these are too long. These also break off, so you can just bend them in half at the like where the triangles are, and they become shorter. You can still put like screws through these holes. Breaker on. Let's test it. All good. Like and subscribe.